Sorry about that. It's February 25th, 2021, and I am live from Mr. Duarte's classroom, and I have a couple of pledges with me today, and their names are... All right, if you could please stand, place your hand over your heart as we do our Pledge of Allegiance. We'll start with our pledge to the U.S. flag. Pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands,
one nation under God, one indivisible, liberty and justice for all.
And now we're going to go ahead and face our Texas flag with our hand over our heart and say our pledge to the Texas flag. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance
to the Texas, one nation under God, one indivisible.
Y ahora la bandera de los Estados Unidos. Juro lealtad a la bandera de los Estados Unidos de América, la república que representa. Justicia para todos. Y ahora la bandera de Texas. Honro la bandera de Texas. Para ti, Texas.
Un estado bajo de Dios indivisible.
If you could please remain standing for our moment of silence. Every student here at Woodland Acres Elementary School has the right to feel safe, loved, and respected, be it at home, on the bus, or during your school day. If there is anyone at home at school or on the bus that makes you feel unsafe, unloved, or disrespected, please find a trusted adult and let them know how you feel. If you have not sat down, you may be seated. We do have a lot of birthdays in the house. So today, on February 25th, happy birthday to Ame Marina in kindergarten, Easton in 4th grade, Sophia in 2nd grade, Destiny in 5th grade, and we do have one celebrity birthday. So happy birthday to Miss Isagiri. If you do see her, wish her a very, very happy birthday for us. Students, we want you to please remember to maintain social distancing and to make sure that you do keep your mask on. We do have TELPAS testing today for 2nd, 4th, and 5th. Today is the TELPAS sample number 4. And we'd also like to remind you that tomorrow school is a regular in-school session. It is not an asynchronous day, so tomorrow you're going to come to school like you would every day and do your schoolwork here at school. The character education theme for the month of February is responsibility, but we would like to share with you a Black history fact. In 1938, Ella Fitzgerald began her career at age 15 in an amateur contest at the famous Apollo Theater in Harlem. She became known as the First Lady of Song. All right, my friends, with something to think about, this is Mrs. Marsh saying make it a great day or not.
The choice is yours!
That's right, the choice is yours. We hope that today and every day you choose to make it a terrific